Are you looking for a way to create your custom domain and connect it with your ClickFunnels account? Or maybe you're completely brand new and you just want to learn how to create a website using ClickFunnels. My name is Stacey Kennedy and I'm your online marketing coach, and everything that has to do with ClickFunnels, I'm going to be sharing with you here on this channel. So make sure to subscribe. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create a custom domain and connect it to your ClickFunnels account to a funnel in this video. So let's go to the computer. All right, we're going to talk about domain names and getting your domain name from GoDaddy and hooking it up to your page here. So this is your opt-in page, obviously. One thing actually, before I go into the step 2 content, I just wanted to make sure that you knew that if you go into the settings, SEO metadata, that is what shows up when you share out your link, and you want to make sure that you put in a title, description, keywords, your name or your company name, and a image that you're going to want to show up when you share it out on social media, because that's what's going to show up. Not necessary keywords, but for SEO, it's great to make sure you put in your keywords, and then obviously a description that's going to be really short, just free report by the, XYZ real estate group or whatever your name is, and what this report it would be all about, right? And then an image. You can even simply just have the background image. Let's talk about domain names. So right now, this is your domain name. Your username.clickfunnels.com. It's all hosted inside of ClickFunnels, which is the awesome thing. It's great. You can actually start sending people to this link, but obviously it's long, it's ugly, it's not branded with your own name. So if you have xyzbananarealestate.com, you can simply point your domain name to this page. If you already have something on your page, like you have an entire website, then maybe that's not the best idea. Maybe you can use a plugin. If your site is built on WordPress, which I've built agents' sites on WordPress, I would put in a plugin. There's a plugin called PrettyLink. So if you are familiar with WordPress, you can I had it up here. It's a free plugin called PrettyLink plugin. You can get the free version. There is a paid version, but you don't really need it. You can just go into add plugins and search for PrettyLinks, and you can find it. You can make your url.com / whatever home value and point it to your URL right here. So I could grab this link. I can go into stacykennedy.com, my WordPress site, and actually just grab this link and create a short pretty link that goes to this link. It's just like Bitly. So if you heard of Bitly, you've been able to do that. You can use that as well, but it's not pretty. Like, that's why I like PrettyLink, because you can use a domain name that you already have and point it to any site. So the other option is to find your own specific location-specific domain name. If you don't already have one, maybe you guys have actually thought of this. I know a lot of agents I work with have already purchased a lot of location-specific domain names, and I like using this site called Lean Domain Search. So you can go to Lean Domain Search and put in your specific city and just put in 2 keywords, right? San Diego homes or home values or whatever your giveaway is, right? I can put in 2 specific URLs and it will just give me a whole bunch of URLs that might be a good fit. And this really helps me because I really want to keep it to 2 or 3 words, or the shorter the URL that you can get and the most memorable is the best URL that you're going to want to use, and something that you can remember, and that every time you do a video you can share it on your video or share it anywhere on social media, and it'll go straight to that URL, right? So live San Diego homes, let's see, San Diego home works, Big San Diego homes. Oh, that'd be good. Anything that's green is what is available. So you can pick one of these and, you know, go and buy it on GoDaddy. I think if you click on one of them, it'll ask you to go to like one of their suggested things or whatever. I would just go and open up GoDaddy or Namecheap is actually another good one. Either one. I just like supporting other companies other than just GoDaddy sometimes. So Namecheap's a good one. And then very simply, you can go to ClickFunnels and go to the top right hand corner, go to domain names, and connect your domain to ClickFunnels. And you can just go add to new domain and let that load. Again, one more time, top right hand corner, domain names, add new domains. This is how I got here. You feel free to stop and do this as you go, or watch the replay again. Click on add your own domain, use an existing domain. You can buy a domain from ClickFunnels, but I highly suggest you buy your own domain from an external site like GoDaddy and Namecheap, like I said. It's going to be a lot easier for you in the long run. Just follow my instructions. Real estate blogging is one of my other websites on the side that I could connect. I can click add domain, and then it'll give you this instructions. So you go into your domain, wherever you got your website from, GoDaddy, Namecheap, like I said, and you're going to change the CNAME record to www.target.clickfunnels.com. Not sure how to do that? Go to this link right here, which I'll link below or above this video, and you can look through the instructions here, custom domains, and here is, if you bought it from GoDaddy, you go down and find GoDaddy CNAME record. How do you do that? It's very simple. You just log into your account, go into the DNS settings, and under where it says CNAME record, you add a new record and you change the existing one in there. It should show CNAME, and then you change it to www and then target.clickfunnels.com. There's also one more second step towards the bottom that says to change the forwarding rule to go to the URL that you have to permanently forward it only to your website. So very super simple. Make those changes, add that to the integration. Sometimes it takes a moment after you've done it. You click here and says, I've done the step. You do that. I'm not going to do it on mine since I've already connected it before. So you could just keep on clicking on it. If it doesn't like refresh or it's still like not working, just give it 10-20 minutes or something and keep coming back. Then you're going to go back to this section where it says domain names, and like for instance, this one's unverified, so it'll look like that. But you go in here and make sure that it's verified, or you click on it again if it's still not verified. And then once it's verified, then it'll look like one of these, and there's one other section under there that'll say like securing. Let me scroll down here. So the SSL, you can expand that, and then it'll say like not set up yet, and you can want to make sure you click on that again. Let's see here. And look at, I think I have one that's not. See, this one says that even though it says, oh, it's securing, not secured. So it'll kind of look like this. It'll actually look exactly like this. What you'll do is click on the URL. Click on the URL again. And then scroll down. This is what I'm talking about, the SSL. You're going to click expand, and you're going to click check now. So I thought actually I did that earlier, so sometimes you're going to have to go back and just double check it again. and then I'll say congratulations, your domain name is now ready. So do that, and then you're going to go back to the funnel, and I'm actually going to connect this one to this PDF funnel. Sellers Leads PDF. This is the example that I've started you guys off with. So now we're going to go to settings, and the URL that actually I used was Top Real Estate Branding. Now that it's connected, I can go to domain names. I went to settings, domain names, find Top Real Estate Branding, and scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and make sure to save and update. Awesome. So it's loading, and now it won't say Stacia.ClickFunnels in just a moment as it's finishes updating, and I can refresh it again. It should say toprealestatebranding.com now. So it automatically added just toprealestatebranding.com/seller leads landing page. I want to make sure that actually I have the main website going somewhere else, so I want to actually make it say / maybe 7 simple ways, or 7 ways to increase your value, or something like that, home value, right? Or something really short, right? Or maybe I could just even, depending on what your URL that you bought, right? Like if you bought SandiegoHomeValues.com, I could put /7 ways. And in order to make that change, you got to click on this funnel step setting. I actually make the change in 2 spots just to make sure. So I can say 7 ways here, or maybe, yeah, just 7 ways is the path. Update. So now it says 7 ways. So now it's toprealestatebranding.com/7 ways is my URL. And I also sometimes like to click on that link. I'm going to go back again and show you. This link right here where it says edit page split test settings. You really don't need to do that. The split test settings is usually when you have two different pages here, and you want to determine which page is doing better. If you, maybe I put 7 simple ways to increase your home values here this month, or maybe and the other page I do something different, like 7 ways to increase your home values, instead, like just like a distinction of a different copy if I wanted to test it. But I like to change this to make it simpler anyways. So or it's just also just another way to change to make it specific. I delete the path and update it. It'll automatically pull what you put up here. Just like to make it cleaner. So that's it. I just make a change there, scroll down, and I just updated the page. But that's all you really needed to do is change it here, but I like to change it in both spots to make things nice and easy to remember. But the path is what the URL will be, /url.com/7 ways is going to be the path, or the name of the link. So that's how you change that. Got it? All right, we are all done with module 2. Got a domain name. Think of something rememberable, location specific, get it from Namecheap or GoDaddy, and connect your domain to your ClickFunnels page. And now you can use that page or that URL on any funnel that you use. So if you decide to build the other 2 funnels that I gave you in my example above this video in step 1, you can also make it, with the same URL. So you just go into the settings again. So quick overview. and switch to domain name, and then you can make it top 5 ways, or your home value evaluation, or toprealestatebranding.com/home evaluation. Like, I can make that the other pages. I can make it whatever I want. So you can use that domain name for any of the funnels in here once you connect your domain. All right, those are your options. If you have any questions, feel free to connect with me. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next module. Let's talk about emails and connecting your email autoresponder to the ClickFunnels integration. Awesome. So I'm so excited that you got your funnel connected. Please make sure to comment below. I want to know what your URL is, what your custom domain is, what you were able to do after watching this video. Or make sure to pause the video, rewatch the video if you need more help, or again, also comment below and I can answer more questions. You'll also want to make sure to join my group. The link will be in the description below. I have private coaching for people who need more support. And you can also learn my entire duplicatable funnel at the Side Hustle funnel if you want more training like this. This training will also be included inside of that free bonus business in a box. All right. Thanks for watching this video. Much love and aloha, and we'll see you on the next video.